Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful Saturday morning here in South Florida. It's the perfect weather to do some cleaning. And you know what I'm doing today, guys? I am gonna be cleaning my griddle. The top is so bad. It's really bad. Although I haven't used this for a while, I think it's been about 6 months and it's been covered, but the humidity, forget it guys, it's really rusted. So I need to bring this baby back to life. So guys, come along with me and let me show you guys how I transform this griddle back to life. So guys, this is what I did. So what I did is I scraped as much rust as I could, and of course wipe it down as well. So I did a lot of this myself, but then I went into Hector's garage and I found this little wire brush wheel, which is perfect because it's for a drill. So guess what, this little gadget right here guys helped me so much. It really made my job easier. Now look how nice this looks, guys. It really took a lot of the rust out. So it really worked wonders for me. And guys, I'm going to be using a little bit, well, not a little bit guys, a lot of baking soda. I sure did guys. And I also used some white vinegar. So what I did is I let this sit for a good 2 to 3 minutes. And then I grabbed a little Brillo and I started kind of scrubbing down as well. It worked wonders, guys. It really did the job. And yes guys, let's not forget the Dawn, okay? This really removed the grease. It really helped. Guys, this was so therapeutic. I don't know about you guys, but there's people who don't like cleaning. But for some reason, this was very therapeutic, guys. Now look how nice we're looking. Now I have one more cleaning step. And yes, I'm going to be using my Barkeeper's friend. Yes, it's my friend, guys. I use Barkeeper pretty much inside the house with my stove, which is, it has that glass cooktop. It just does wonder, guys. And I use it actually to clean my pots as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and spread this. And the key with the Barkeeper's friends, guys, you have to really have this sit for a bit. So I did a good 4 to 5 minutes. So guys, now I have this rock here. I have a bucket of clean water. You want to make sure that is completely clean, guys, because my next step will be to season the griddle, guys. Now guys, this is almost finished. This is actually one of my last steps. I have the another rag actually, and it's actually wet. I'm wiping down again before I start the process of the oil. I'm using canola oil, guys. I don't think there's any rules or science to use any particular oil, but you know what, canola oil works for me. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I actually did about 8 steps. So I will do the oil, then I'll wipe down with the paper towel. This went on for a while, but guys, it did the job. I am like super pleased on how beautiful this actually came out. Now guys, this is my last step here. It came out beautiful, guys. I love it. And I tell you guys, I cannot wait to use it this evening. Okay, guys, this was, yes, a little long, the process, but patience, guys. I think it came out beautifully. I love that dark color and it's nicely seasoned, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell, guys, so you guys don't miss out on videos. I hope you guys have a fantastic long Memorial Day weekend. Cheers.